everyone, welcome back to the Fashion Foods channel. In today's video we're going to be taking things up a notch. I'm going to be making a seafood bake. Yes guys, a seafood bake. If this sounds interesting to you, please sit back and keep watching. This is basically all the ingredients I'll be needing to make the seafood bake. I have, as much as possible, prepped everything I need for the seafood bake, so I'm just going to get started in a bit. Okay guys, so I actually missed two steps while making this video. The first step I missed is the fact that I cut my potatoes into small round pieces and then I deep fried them, and then secondly I cut my sausages into smaller pieces and then I just threw them in the oven to grill. That's about it. So right in this bowl I have all my shrimps, the white shrimps and the pink shrimps. I also have the lobster tail in the bowl as well. So I have also chopped some onions and my bell peppers, and I also chopped some Scotch bonnet peppers, and I've thrown it in the bowl. I also have a little bit of all my spices inside the bowl. Right now I'm going to mix everything together and then I'm going to shallow fry them.